Today I was able to actually fix my Lutron Light Switch. Before, when I was pressing it, it wouldn't move at all. It was like it's stuck. And usually my kids, their hands all dirty and wet and felt like there was some dirt stuck into there. So took it apart. Again, like I press on it and it just didn't feel like it was clicking at all. Again, you should probably turn off the lights. Go to your circuit breaker and turn off electricity. I'm a real unprofessional, so don't do what I do, but I just ended up pulling out this thing a little bit. And eventually now it clicks again. So it was really just I didn't have to replace the whole unit. It was just stuck. Once I unstuck it, now it clicks again. So back into business. This is what I do on my weekends. I try to fix what's broken in my house and also watch the kids. Here's the thing on now. Clicks and turns on, turns off. Hopefully it stays like that. We'll see.